Police accountability is back on the agenda at the state capitol. Denver 7 political reporter Megan Lopez tonight on what lawmakers want to change and how that's going over with law enforcement.
Nearly a year after the chance for change.
Hands up!
After Colorado passed one of the most comprehensive police accountability laws in the nation, once again state lawmakers are taking a closer look at law enforcement and their role in the community in the form of 3 bills. The first bill, introduced by Democrats,
this bill is really kind of a cleanup bill for Senate Bill 217.
Changes the law for how officers are allowed to use deadly force.
What we wanted to do was make sure that there was no confusion, that deadly use of force had to be used as a last resort.
It also applies the changes from last year to the Colorado State Patrol and Colorado Bureau of Investigations.
Qualified immunity will no longer apply to State Patrol. I'm proud to say the State Patrol supports that.
The bill includes more rules around body cameras, but also allows for more due process for officers. Not everyone likes the legislation, though. The Fraternal Order of Police says it was surprised by the use of force changes. A separate bill introduced by Republicans does some of the same things.
Senator Cook, tell us about your bill.
Meanwhile,
we'll be one of the first in the nation.
A bipartisan group has brought a first-in-the-nation bill to change how agencies report potentially problematic officers. It stems back to the Brady list that tracks officers who may have credibility issues.
An officer that lied on the stand or in a police report, an internal investigation, that goes to his credibility, his or her credibility.
Under the bill, that list must be given to a district attorney to turn over to the defense to use in court cases.
Some officers, though, do not live up to the high standard of their profession, and this bill is about holding those individuals accountable so that criminal defendants are treated justly.
Police agencies have voiced support for that change.
Law enforcement is 100% behind it because of that, because they want to be transparent.
Not everybody agrees with all of the merits of all of these bills, but they say the goal is to hold Colorado law enforcement to a higher standard. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.